Messages.
Hello, dear students. We are about to start our new episode. Let's begin. In this episode, we are going to study about 1. The brain, 2. Pronunciation, and 3. Writing.
Brain power. Control center. The brain is the most complicated part of the body. It takes up 2% of our body weight, but uses 20% of our energy supply.
It receives information and sends out messages to control our behavior and movements. It allows us to think, learn, and remember.
The brain floats in liquid, and the hard skull protects it. The adult brain weighs around 1.4 kilograms. But a 6-year-old's brain is already adult-sized.
Parts of the brain. Your brain is divided into 3 main parts. The smallest part controls breathing and digestion. The middle part controls movement. The biggest part controls intelligence, the senses, and memory.
Different sections of this part are responsible for different things. These include smell, sight, touch, music, and language. Scientists study brains while people are doing activities, such as talking. They can see which part of the brain is used.
Messengers.
There are billions of cells inside the brain. There are 2 main types.
Nerve cells.
There are about 100 billion nerve cells in the brain. They are responsible for everything we do by sending electrical and chemical signals. These signals can travel as fast as 90 meters a second.
Supporting cells. These cells protect the nerve cells and keep the brain healthy. Left and right. The brain is also divided into 2 halves.
The left side controls the right side of the body. In most people, this side is used for creative activities. The right side controls the left side of the body. In most people, this side is used for logical activities such as maths.
Now, let's check our comprehension by answering these questions. 1. What do nerve cells do?
They send electrical and chemical signals.
2. What does the biggest part of your brain control?
It controls intelligence, the senses, and memory.
3. What part of the brain controls breathing?
The smallest part.
4. What part of the brain controls movement?
The middle part.
5. What is the difference between the left and the right side of the brain?
The left side of the brain controls the right side of the body and creative activities. The right side of the brain controls the left side of the body and logical activities.
Now to pronunciation.
brain, can,
Listen and underline the sounds.
brain, weigh, information, communicate, complicated, can, action, balance, adult, language.
Now, some easy writing for you. Write about yourself or your friend. Which activities do you or he prefer?
Mazen likes drawing, photography, and making models. He isn't so keen in puzzles and technology. He seems to be more creative. He wants to improve his maths.
Finally, I wish you got the benefit from our lesson today. Study very hard. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.